Hey, you guys, this is Miss All Day. How are you doing? I hope you had a good spring break. You had 2 whole weeks off. No math from all day, every day. So now I'm here with you all day, every day. Ah! Anyway, welcome back. I hope you're staying safe and being smart, making good choices. There's been a little bit of confusion as to where to go, what to do, what to upload, what do you need me to take pictures of. So I'm going to explain that a little bit and see if I can help clarify that a little bit for you. All right, so I'm going to start with when you go on to Focus and when you go to my web pages, I have an Algebra 2 remote online learning and a Geometry Honors remote online learning. I updated this How to Contact Mrs. Allday. That way you know. This is going to guide you. It says students are required to use their child's Outlook email. Please check it daily. It is recommended to add the Outlook app to the student mobile device. So there's my email. Any kind of messages I'll just send out real quick to remind. My pacing guide is right here on the resources tab. My assignment directions are right here on the resources tab. Class resources are right here on the resources tab. I will post just like informative information on Edmodo. I'm not going to post assignments and stuff on Edmodo like I was doing. But just check Edmodo for updates because we're going to get to doing this Microsoft Teams and Zoom. This is going to be like an online platform where we can do like a real live virtual classroom. Okay. So that's just up and coming. I've got to learn about it. It just popped up today and I was just able to use it. So when you click on resources, let me go back out to my web pages because there's not anything under how to contact Miss All Day except how to contact me. So for Algebra 2, when you click on here and you see the resources tab, and you did the probably watch me one already, and this was the first one I sent, introduction. This is the pacing guide, the money one. These are text pages in case you don't have your book. You're gonna these are the notes that you shouldn't need right now. You should just pull out your old ones because we already took notes on 6-6. So you're just literally going to watch this video, click on this pencil, watch that video while you look at your notes, watch this video while you look at your notes. Sorry, I don't know why there's two up there. There's just supposed to be a first video and a second video. So click whichever one works. One of these works for the first video and one of them doesn't. So pick which one that works. And then watch the second video. And then right here is the key just in case you need it. All right, after you do that, you're going to go up here to your online remote pacing guide. Now, you could go directly to this. It explains everything on what to do. I know you can read, so I'm not reading it for you. But right here, there's the two links that you could click on right there if you don't want to do them on my page. And then here's your textbook homework. You do this homework, okay? Then tomorrow, you're going to watch 2 videos, okay? You already have the notes. You're just kind of watching them as you read over your notes to get those concepts back in your head. Here's your homework. This is the mandatory upload. The only things you're going to upload for me are going to be these mandatory uploads, the test prep worksheet. You're going to do it after we do 6-6. You're going to do one down here after you do 6-7. But it's after you watch the videos, do the homework. Watch the videos, do your homework. Okay? So you'll do a 6-6 one, a 6-7 one. You'll do a 6-8 one. Now here comes the new material next week where you watch the video and you do the homework, and then I'll post the answers to the homework. I don't want to watch the video right now, so go away. Sorry. Hey. So like I said, I'm just trying to give you a rundown on kind of what's expected because it's different. We're all trying to get used to it. So when you go down here to the new stuff that we're going to do next week, this week is just a review. You will do the 7-1 day 1 video homework, 7-1 day 2 video homework. Here's your mandatory upload, 7-1 standardized test prep, day 2 video homework, other day 2 for 7.2 video homework. And then on Friday, it's really a holiday, so I'm just saying catch up on anything you need to catch up on. So that's basically what you're going to be doing. So I want to make sure you know, like, well, where in the world do I get these workbook pages from? You're not going to see the workbook page until after you've done the whole 6-6. Like for instance, today you did pencils. Tomorrow you're going to do light bulb, and light bulb. See right there where it says day 2, 6-6, mandatory, standardized test prep worksheet? That's the one that you're going to upload. So for tomorrow, you do light bulb first video, light bulb second video. You go to your pacing guide, go figure out what your homework is, do your homework. And then you're going to do this mandatory standardized test prep. So this right here is literally your first upload. It will not be until tomorrow. Now you're like, oh, yay, it's multiple choice. Okay, so, but do you see how you're going to have to show me work for these? You're going to have to do that on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, and remember, you're writing everything in pen. And now that you're focused, let me show you exactly what you need to put on here, because you probably weren't thinking about this last week, right? So you're going to put your name in pen. You're going to put, like if this is third period or if this is sixth period. And then you're going to put the date. So this is going to be tomorrow. So that's going to be 3/31/20. And this is all day. Put that stuff on there, please. Go to another worksheet page. Put your name on it. Put all day on it. Put the date on it. Put your class period, either sixth period or third period. Put 6-6 test prep. Okay, and then number 1. Go do number 1. Show your work, blah, blah, blah. Do number 2. Show your work, da, 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 da. Okay, so you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a separate sheet of paper. Then you're just going to come back and you're going to circle whatever your answer is. It's only one of them, not like I just did. All right? You're not required to do this number 6. The only other thing I ask you to do is to write down at the bottom, I have watched the videos, taken notes, and did the homework for section 6-6 and sign your name. Okay, it's pretty much that simple. So now, how to upload. Let me go to that part. If you want to upload something, you're going to click on your grades. So for instance, when you go to your grades, let's see if it will let me click on grades. I'm just going to do how to upload on a separate video because it's kind of closing me out of this video for some reason. So to be continued.